Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Now, as someone who has an extensive collection of Apple products, I'm always looking for ways to protect my investment without unnecessary weight and bulk. Last year, a fellow YouTuber recommended an excellent protective case for my Apple AirPod Pro 3, which is made by a company called ESR. Now, this case is perfect for keeping my AirPods safe without compromising the ability to wirelessly charge them or access the touch control when it's needed here on the front. Now, I have been enjoying this protection for over a year now. And so when ESR recently reached out to me and asked me if I would be interested in reviewing some of their other products, well, of course I said yes. Now, for full transparency, this is not a sponsored video. ESR did send me these products to install, test, and review, but they are not telling me what to say, and they will not see the final video before you, the public. Every opinion that I'm going to give you in today's video is completely my own honest opinion and my own thoughts. Now, the items I asked them to send me are the Apple Watch protective case and Armorite Screen Protector for my Apple Watch Ultra 3. I also asked them to send me screen protectors for my 13-inch M5 iPad Pro. Now, these fit both the M4 and the M5 13-inch iPad Pro. And then I also asked them to send me their HaloLock Kickstand wireless charging device. So I have all three of these here that we're going to look at today. Now, when it comes to screen protectors, I have tried many times to install them myself with usually bad results, i.e. bubbles, which are the bane of my existence. Now, with ESR screen protectors and their installation tools, my life, and more importantly, protecting my Apple valuables becomes much easier. So we are going to be doing that in just a bit here. Now, starting with the Apple Watch Ultra Protection, the case that is in here and the screen protector are compatible with all models of the Apple Watch Ultra 49mm models up to this date in 2026. Now, the kit contains the aluminum alloy snap-on case that does not require removing your band to install, and it also includes two of the Apple Watch Ultra screen protector, so that you have a backup protector if you need it down the road. Now, since the case is aluminum, it doesn't add a bunch of extra weight to the Apple Watch, so it doesn't hinder it being all-day comfortable to wear. And between the case and the screen protector, it'll give me over 110 pounds or 50 kilograms of impact resistance to prevent scratches and cracks. Now, the glass also does not affect touch functionality, so my Apple Watch Ultra 3 works as it always has. ESR offers complete product support, including detailed setup videos, FAQs, and a 12-month protection plan, along with unlimited help and personalized assistance when you need it. All right, so we're going to open this up here in a minute, and we're going to go ahead and put this on my Apple Watch, and we'll see how things go, so bear with me for just a moment. All right, so now we're going to open up the box here and take out our products. So as you can see here, we have the, let me set, whoops, that fell. Okay, so we have the aluminum cover here for the Apple Watch. And then over here, we have our screen protectors. And we also have alcohol wet wipes to be used to clean the watch and all that good stuff. And we also have dust removal stickers and a microfiber cloth. And then we have some care instructions down here, Care Plus, QR code that you can scan. And you can have, it also, the instruction manual has a scan to watch a quick setup video. So looks like it pretty much has everything you need in order to be able to do what we're hoping to do today. Okay, so I had already cleaned my screen on my watch before I started recording this video. I had cleaned it with an alcohol swab already because I keep them on hand for cleaning camera lenses and stuff like that. So all I'm doing now is just making sure I got all the dust off it and so on and so forth. Okay, so we got that done. And now we're going to take one of the screen protectors. And so we're going to peel this. And we're going to set it down on here just like before. Just like that. All right, now that one went on better. Thank goodness. So I guess I don't know, I did something wrong the first time, I guess. So, but it seems to be working this time. And so let's go ahead and put the protective band on there. There we go. So we got everything on there and we are good to go, and it looks fantastic. So I'm definitely happy with that. Absolutely. Okay, so next up we have the ESR Screen Protector for my iPad Pro M5 13-inch. Now, as I said before, this model does fit the M4 and the M5 13-inch iPad Pros. And they do have a selection of them for other models of the iPad screen sizes as well. Now, with the screen protector being a high alumina tempered glass, it is ultra strong and offers the same 110 pounds or 50 kilograms of pressure with the highest hardness rating to protect your device from scratches and cracks, which is fantastic. And as you can see, the iPad screen protector has the easy application utility as well, the Ultra Fit tray with the automatic positioning, dust removal, and electrostatic absorption technology, which ensures effortless alignment in seconds without bubbles. And since the screen protector is ultra thin at 0.33 millimeters, it preserves responsiveness, keeps my display flawless, and it also features a camera cutout for FaceTime and full Apple Pencil support. Now, this kit also includes 2 screen protectors, 2 cleaning kits, as well as the Ultra Fit tray with automatic dust removal and the manual, and offers the same support as the Apple Watch Ultra kit. All right, so let's go ahead and we're going to open this one up just like we did the other one. And let's see here. If we can peel the tape from the bottom here, I think we can open the bottom end of the box, be quicker. And let's pull out what we have here. And I'll set the box on the floor. And we will turn this over. Okay, and it says press here. Now let me, wow, okay. Oh, okay, so it had some, those little sticky dots on the edges here to hold the thing closed. So definitely interesting. And then, of course, inside we have the kit, just like we did for the Apple Watch. So you got your cleaning cloth, your microfiber towel, all of that good stuff in here as well. The alcohol swabs, the whole 9 yards. So let me go ahead and pull all of that out again, just so you can see it. And, of course, we got the setup guide. We got the tool for making sure there's no bubbles when we're done. And we got the wet wipes and all of that, the dust removal stickers and all of that in here. So I'm going to set these aside, and we're going to get ready to do the one for my iPad Pro. Okay, now similar to what we did with the Apple Watch, we're going to wipe down. I had already pre-done it for the Apple Watch, but we're going to go ahead and wipe down with the alcohol cloth, like so. Try to get it all nice and clean. And then we're going to take the microfiber towel and we're going to dry it a little bit. Try to get everything dry here. Because we want to make sure we get a good stick with the screen protector on the first try. So we want to make sure we got it cleaned, dried, and then just like with the Apple Watch, which you did get to see me do this part, we're going to now take the dust removal sticker, and we're going to peel that. Bear with me just a second while I grab hold of this bad boy. All right, there we go. And we're just going to go around and make sure we get any dust particles. I don't see a whole lot of dust on here, but never hurts to make sure we get it all off anyways there. All right, so we got that done. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take our utility tray here, and we're going to open it back up, and we have to lift this, and then I believe we have to, let's see, we got to take this foam out of here somehow. Let's see here. Does it just, oh, is it, oh yeah, it's a sleeve. Okay, so we're going to slide that off and drop it, and then we have to put this back on, lining it up with the slots up here, the notches with the tabs at the top of the utility tray. And now, okay, now I got it. I had to put the screen on top of the tab, or the iPad on top of the tab too, so I had it wrong the first time. That's why I couldn't pull it. And now we pull it out in one long motion, And then we wait 5 seconds, and then hopefully that should get rid of most all of the bubbles for us. So we'll just give it a few seconds. All right, and then we're going to go ahead and open it up. And now we use this to lift the iPad off out of the tray. Flip it over. And now we just peel this part. And we get rid of that. And hopefully we should have minimal or no bubbles with any luck here. Okay, so one thing I discovered is, like in their tutorial video, these are bubbles. They just look a little odd because they have, like, I don't know, like ridges around them or something like that. But if I lift up the corner and then just let it drop back down on its own, it worked on the other two sides. Got most of that one out, but not quite all of it yet. Come on, baby. Dang, it's still not getting all of that one out. Just trying to force it out, but I'm not having much luck. Which is weird, because the other one that was in the top left corner came out real easy on its own. Just by lifting slightly and letting the screen protector drop back down and seal on its own. Oh, there we go. So that did work. All right, I like that. That's awesome. Okay, so as you can see, a little bit of practice to get it right, but hey, I got it right, and I still have a spare screen protector if I need it down the road. So that is absolutely fantastic. I'm very, very happy with how that part turned out. It seems to be working very well, so I definitely can't complain at all. I'm very, very happy with how that worked out. Okay, so as you can see, we were successful with the Apple Watch protection as well as the iPad Pro protection. And now I want to go ahead and we're going to take a look at the Apple Watch charger, or I mean the MagSafe charger that we have here. Okay, so as you saw, we were quite successful with the Apple Watch protection and my iPad Pro protection. And now we're going to take a look at the third and final item that I have here, which is the wireless charging device for MagSafe devices, MagSafe compatible phones. It has a built-in kickstand and all that good stuff. So now we're going to go ahead and take a look at that. Okay, so here we have the charging device, the HaloLock kickstand wireless charger. And let's go ahead and open this box up. Okay, so inside we have the wireless charger here. And then we have a USB-C to C cable. We have a USB A to C adapter in case you need it. If you're plugging into like your laptop to charge your smartphone, whether it's an iPhone or Android. You can go C to A, so you can plug it in there. And then we have the instruction manual with the QR code. And we have a little brochure here on identifying the right adapter. Now, you want an adapter that is at least 18 watts in the power delivery and QC compatible. So you want to make sure of that. And then, of course, if it's a higher wattage one, like maybe 30 watts, it's going to just charge your device even faster. Which is really cool. So we're going to go ahead and set this thing up here. Okay, so what we're going to do now, we got it plugged into USB-C, and we're going to peel off the little plastic film there. And then, as you can see, we have a kickstand here that we can flip out. Once I can get a hold of it there. There we go, just like that. And it will allow this charger to sit just like that. And then I can take my, darn it, I can take my iPhone 17 Pro Max, and I can set it on there landscape ways, so I can have it in the nightstand mode or using it as an alarm clock, all of that good stuff, like so, which is generally how I have it on my nightstand at night. There we go, just like that, which is really handy. And then, of course, you can also, we should be able to flip it around this way, and there you go, and then we can set it this way on the puck, and we can have it in the standard orientation. So either one will work. It's a really handy wireless charger. It's great for traveling with because it's so compact and portable and lightweight, and the kickstand just folds right into the back of it. So that's extremely handy. And like I said, it's fully MagSafe compatible, has the on-demand kickstand, secure magnetic locking. Now, this does work, and I just wanted to let my audience know this. Now, it does have a very durable charging cable, and it's lab tested for over 6,000 bends. The unit's dimensions are 19.99 by 16.61 by 1.8 centimeters, and it only weighs 0.21 kilograms. Now, the unit is Qi 2 certified for safe, reliable wireless charging, and it is backed by a 1-year warranty. So definitely handy. It's a great little charger that you can easily take with you. Now, it does work not only on iPhones, but it will work on Android phones with the accompanying MagSafe or magnetic case that you can get from ESR as well. So you can do that. So it will accommodate both iPhones and Android, which is extremely handy. I think it's really great that they include both customers in their designs like that. They make it so their technology can work with both worlds of smartphones. That's definitely really cool. I think it's really awesome of them to support everybody like that. Okay, so that is going to wrap up this video. As I said a moment ago, if you want to pick up any of these ESR products for yourself, I have the links in the description down below so you can check them out for yourself. And like I said, this company has a wide selection of products, so they can pretty much accommodate most everybody out there, which is really awesome. All right, I want to thank you all for watching this video to the end. Please remember to smack that bell and subscribe button down below. If you have any questions or comments on any of the products that I reviewed today from ESR, please be sure to leave them in the comment section down below. I do read all comments, and as this time in space, being my channel's not massively huge, I'm over 100,000, but I don't have like 10 million. So I do my best to answer everybody's questions or comments in the comment section below, so you will not be ignored. Now, if you haven't already, make sure you get your entry in for my 100,000 subscriber plus giveaway. It is still ongoing till the middle of October 2026. If you're watching this video in the future, then you may have already missed your chance. All right, with that, I will see you all again in the next video.